Hello everyone. I hope you can see my screen and you can hear my voice. Okay. Welcome back to our free online lesson. My name is Shafika and I am a CAD application engineer in the CAD system. So for today's lesson, we will learn how to do frame generator in Autodesk Inventor. Okay. So basically, what is the frame generator? In Autodesk Inventor, the frame generator is a tool that allows users to quickly create structural frames by selecting predefined structural shapes and placing them along a sketch path. So the sketch path here refers to skeleton. So the skeleton is the part that we will sketch later in parts. Okay. So this is the frame generator tab. We have the insert frame and other tools right here that we will use it later in our tutorial. Okay. So as you can see on my left side, this is the skeleton that we will draw in parts, and in my right side is frame, which is we will generate later in assembly. Okay. So without wasting any time, we just go to our tutorial. Okay, so right now, what I'm gonna do is just start to the sketch. We have to do the skeleton first to generate the frame. So I will choose the XY plane. Now I will create the rectangle first. Okay, and then I will give the dimension here for about 850. Okay, and the other one will be 1000. Okay, and then click OK. So now I'm gonna click finish. And then I would choose at the origin, I would choose the XY plane. Okay, and then in this plane, just drop down, you can see the offset from plane. Okay, and then just offset for 3000 or any distance that you wanted. Okay, and then I just click OK. Right, so in this plane, I just right click and click new sketch. So in this new sketch, I'm not gonna create another sketch, but I will use the project geometry, which is just highlight. And then if I click this cube right over here, you can see I already project the sketch to the front. Okay, and then just click finish. Okay, now I will start the 3D sketch. To make another line over here, click line first, click over here and here to make the line. And then make another line over here. Okay. And then just click finish. Okay. And then right click, just off the visibility. So this is our skeleton that we will use to generate the frame. Okay. Okay, now just go to file. We have to save this skeleton first. Save. And I will save at my document. Okay. Okay. I just scale as skeleton. Okay. Skeleton and then just save. All right. So just go to file and then create new. This time you just create at assembly. Okay. Click create. And then at assembly, just click place. And then just choose the skeleton. Open. Just click here. Okay, now this is where we want to use our frame. So just go to design tab over here and you can see the insert frame. Okay, just click the insert frame. So before that, you have to save the assembly first. So just click yes. So just put skeleton assembly. Okay, then save. All right. So now the insert frame, I just choose what category that I wanted. So I will choose the square rectangular tube, and standard will be ISO. The family will be square first. I want to be square, and then the size. What is your desired size lah? So I will choose my own size, which is 80, 80, and 5. All right. So the material I will choose. Matte steel, and appearance will be dark gray. Okay. So right over here, you can see if I place my structure, it will be in the middle line, right? So I don't want it to be in the middle line. I want it to be up to this line. So I just place it first, okay? And then go to the front. You can see the structure is in the middle. So I want it to be up to this line, okay? So just go to here. So it'll be up to this line. Okay, same to this plane also, same to this line also. So just go to apply, and click OK. Okay, so this time I want it to be the same as the right, and then just click over here. You can see it is in the outside of this line. So I want it to be inside of the line. So I just rotate like this. Okay, or you can just use the rotate right here. All right, so just click OK. Okay, it will be like this. Right, so then I want to insert another plane, another frame, which is the family will be rectangular. Okay, the size will be 120, 120, 8, and 120. Okay, this one. All right, so I want it to be, okay, I don't want it to be right here, so I just, the rotation will be 0, be 90. Okay, I want to be inside of this line. See? Okay, inside of this line, I want to be inside of the line. Okay, so same as this also, I want it to be inside of this line. So just click over here and here, okay, inside of this line. This also inside of line. Okay, then just click plus symbol. Okay. All right, so the other one also same. I want it to be inside of this line. Okay, so inside. Okay, this also inside, and it will be, okay, and just click this. Okay, and then the other one, okay, the inside of this line. Okay, wait. Okay, so we will adjust this over here. Okay, it will be inside. Okay, then click OK. Okay, now we can see we already did our frame. So if you, as you can see, there are so many interference right here. Okay, this is interference, and so many interference. So what we're gonna do is we gonna choose any tools up here that's suitable for our situation. So for this kind of situation, I will choose meter. So what meter gonna do is, okay, let me show you. So we have two types of meter. The first one is full meter cut, and the second one is bicep meter cut. So the difference is the full meter cut will be like this, and the bicep will be like this. Okay, this one will be the offset. So I don't want to put any offset in between. So I just leave it 0. So what meter will do is just click over here. This is the first frame. Okay, select frame member, the first frame and the second frame. So as you can see, okay, just click another one. All right, just click OK. So there will be no interference. Okay, we already made our frame. All right, okay, let's do to the other frame also. Okay, just click meter and then click over here. Okay, you can see the interference. Just click over here and here. Okay, and then just click OK. So there's no interference. All right, it's already meter. Okay, so right now I'm going to use the other tools, which is trim and extend. As you can see, there's another interference over here. So just go to this part, okay, and choose the tool select face. Okay, select the face first and then select the members. So this is the members. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, see difference. Okay, I want to show you difference. So the difference is when I click here, it will be cut into, it will be cut, it will be cut through this section. Okay, right. And then if you want to choose, if you want to put any offset, just put any offset over here. So I just leave it 0. All right. So I want to do to this part also, just click the plus symbol button and then choose the face and the frame. So you will cut into this. Okay. All right. So just put symbol button again. Okay. Do to the other part also and select face and the frame. Plus again, select the face and the frame. Okay. And then just click OK. So I think there is no interference. We already used the tools given. All right, so if you want to length or make your frame longer or shorter, just choose any frame that you wanted. For example, I choose length and shorten first, and then just choose the frame members. For example, I want these members to be longer, and then just put any value that you wanted. For example, 100. So it will be length longer for 100 lah. Right, so for example, 500, it will be longer for 500. So for example, you want it to be shortened for 500, just put the minus symbol in front of the value. Okay, like this. So it will be shortened for 500. All right, so for this tutorial, I don't want to use the length and shorten. So I just want to show you how to use the length and shorten tools. Okay, so just click cancel. All right, so right now I want to back another design or another solid up to this frame. So just choose the frame first. Okay, I choose this frame and then I click edit. Okay, I will start to sketch the frame right over here. Okay, then I choose line and I search for the midpoint. Okay, so this is our midpoint. So I will sketch over here for 40 and then up for 80, to the left for 80, down for 80, and just continue. All right, so just click finish. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude this sketch for 3000. Okay, and then just click OK. Okay, now I'm gonna use the rectangular pattern. So click over here, the rectangular pattern, and then I will make the other at the left and the right side. So the direction, I choose this direction over here, and then I will put 5. Okay, and the spacing is 150. So notice that the solid will be at my right side. So now I'm gonna click the mid plane, so it will be symmetry like this. Okay, and then just click OK. And then just return back to our assembly. All right, So now I'm gonna change the material. Just go to this solid, right click and edit with frame generator. So at this material, I'm gonna choose woods, and then the appearance will be as material. And then I just click OK. Okay, so this is our final look. All right. Okay, now I'm going to show you on how to do the custom frame. Okay, first we have to go to home first, and then at this point just go to up, right upper, and you can see the project over here. So just click project. Okay, now just go to configure content center libraries. Okay, just click, and then at this point you just click or create your own library. So I just create my own library. So I'm gonna give the title for FOL frame. All right, okay, and then just click OK. Okay, see FOL frame, read and write. So make sure it's read or write. Okay, and then just click OK, save, and then done. So at this point, just create new part. Okay. So I'm gonna make a custom frame for our tutorial. So just click create to this sketch and then choose this plane. So at rectangle, I'm gonna choose polygon. So right over here. Okay. And then the dimension. Okay. From this to this, I'm gonna make it length. The length is the width. We're gonna put the width for 80 millimeter. Okay, and then just click OK. Right, and then we gonna click offset over here, and then the offset we will make the parameter as thickness. So thickness will be 5, and then just click enter. Okay, and then finish. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna extrude. So extrude. So this time will be length. Okay, so for the length, it doesn't matter any value that you choose because the length will be depends on our skeleton soon. Okay, so put any value that you wanted. So I just put 10. So I just click OK. All right, so this is the frame that we will use later. All right, so go to manage and then editor. Okay, before that, I want to save my frame first. So go to my document. Hex, I will put the name as hex frame, and then just put save. Okay, so at this part, if you can, so at this point, just go to this parameter over here, and you can see the width, thickness, and length already there. So the model parameter is width, thickness, and length, and then the equation is 85 and 10 millimeter. Okay, this parameter we will use later. Just click done. After that, go to editor. Okay, and then go to the library and choose our library, which is the FOL frame. So if you can see right over here, there's no folder for us. So we will create our own folder. Just go and search for ISO, Inventor ISO, this. Okay, and under the structure shape, right click and copy category to FOL frame. All right. So we already copied to FOL frame. So just go to FOL frame. So we have our frame over here. So but we only want to use the other frame. So this other frame we can delete. Just delete and then delete. Okay, so just left the other frame only. All right, so we place our this custom frame here later. So just click done. All right, so at this point at the outer tab, just go to tube and pipe. Down this, you can see the structure frame, structure shape. Okay, just click the structure shape. And then it will bring you to the structure shape authoring. So in the category, just go to uh, the, okay, and then the node profile, it will be this profile. Okay, and then close. Okay, let me do it again. You ada, okay, next profile will be this profile. Okay, and then so the parameter mapping. So this is the parameter mapping. So the base length will be, okay, right over here, the parameter, and then the frame. Okay, and then for the length, we will choose this. Okay, then click OK. Go down, you can see the shape thickness. All right, so the shape thickness, we will click, and then expand again, we'll see the thickness. Then click OK. So shape width also the same. Okay, just put the model and then the width. Then click OK. All right. So thickness, width, and baseline length. All right. So just click publish now. Okay, the person and just click OK only. All right. So select library to publish to. So we have made our own library just now. So click our own library and select the language. So the language will be English, and then click next. Okay, and then we have to double check first before we click finish. Okay, double check. The category is other, and then click next. The best length, thickness, width. Okay, then just click next again. Okay, so this is not so much important. Just bring it to the right. Okay, just shape width and shape thickness. All right, so just click next. Okay, so family name is hex name. So this is the same as our part name just now, hex frame. Okay, so the standard organization. So you will choose what standard that you wanted. So I just custom it as Acad. Manufacturer also the same. You can choose what you wanted. I just put Acad also. Standard also Acad. Okay, and then standard deviation, I just leave it blank. So click next. So, all right, so this is the thumbnail image. So for example, you want to change the thumbnail image, you can load internet thumbnail image at this file, okay? And the last one, we have to click publish. Publish compact me, okay, then click okay. So now we click editor. Okay, see that our frame already there. So right click and choose family table. Okay, you can see up here, we have the base length and the shape width. Okay, and the thickness. All right, so I want to put another option for our thickness and width. So I'm going to choose add row. Okay, at this point, just choose any material that you wanted. For example, I want it to be stainless steel, and also this one to be stainless steel. Okay, the length same lah. Okay, the shape width will be 90 and the thickness will be 6. Okay, the other one, I add another row. So the material will be stainless steel, 10, and the width will be 100. Shape thickness will be 7. All right, just click apply and then okay. Click okay. All right, just click done. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to our skeleton assembly just now. Okay. So we're gonna try to apply our custom frame just now. So I will choose I will choose this frame. Right click and edit with frame generator. Okay, right over here, you can see our category. So the category will be other. So we already save our custom at other frame. Just click the frame other. So standard will be Acad. So remember, we put our standard as Acad. So the family that we have designed, we have generated is hack frame. Okay, remember? So the size will be 3. We have made the 3 design for our custom frame. So you choose any size that you wanted. So I will choose the first size. So the material will be stainless steel, same as our custom frame like before, like we already done. Okay, now if we click close, if I click OK, okay, the frame member change standard. Okay, let's just click yes. Click OK. And then you can see the frame already changed. Okay, that is how we use or we create our custom frame. All right, so this is not the end yet. So we have, here we have hollow frame. So what we're gonna do is, the last one, we will put the insert end cap. All right. So at this point, you can see our frame is in a hollow condition. So position select faces. So this is the face that you want to insert the cap. Just click over here. So right now, I'm gonna make this cap profile is the fillet corner. Okay, so the fillet corner. So the fillet will be, if I right click and I click measure, so I can measure the fillet over here at our frame. So the end cap will follow the fillet for our structure. So just click and then the end cap will follow the structure frame. All right, just click. Okay. Okay. And then it will be like this. It already closed like this. All right. So we can apply to the other one also. At this, just click insert cap M. So for this one, I want to make a sharp corner. So I just put the sharp corner. Okay. It will be the sharp corner, no more fillet. Okay, so the thickness, we can adjust what thickness that you wanted. So I just put 5, and then material also as the same as our structure. So just click matte steel and dark gray. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so that is our end cap for our square frame. So for this frame, because it is a complicated frame, so I just want to insert the normal frame lah, the sharp corner. Okay, so the thickness will be 5 also, and then I just click OK. Okay, or just click this plus symbol. Okay, and then go back to the other one. Okay, and then click OK. All right. So if you don't want to see this line, the sketch over here, just go to the view and object visibility, turn off the 2D and 3D sketch. Okay, so this is our final look. All right. So I think that's all for today, but before I end our lesson, I just want you guys to go to any browser, okay, and then just type a CAD system. Okay, so in the CAD system, you can see at the website, you can see we have our KL and Penang brands. So if you have any inquiries, just go to you can call our KL or Penang brands. So at this lower right corner, you can see we have our live chat also. So if you have any query and you want it to be immediately, so just click and live chat. So you can see our agent are online. So you can type whatever problem that you have, so they will respond immediately. All right. So in this tab, you can see there's so many options. For example, we have event. So if you want to see our event, just go to calendar of event. Right, and then go down and you can see the upcoming event. For example, the basic modeling rendering, the NASA and Acad heat transfer, and so on. So if you like to join any of these events, just click over here and then just click RSVP here, click going. All right, so you can put your name, email, and number of guests and just click finish. Okay. And then we have our product over here. If you like to buy or you want to go to any training for example, you want to go to Autodesk training, so you can just go to this training and you can choose lah any what you want. All right, so you have many product over here, so you can click any product that you're interested in. All right, so you go down over here, you can see we have our media social. Okay, so Facebook, YouTube, and email. So if you click YouTube, it will bring you to our channel, YouTube channel. Okay, and then if you like to learn something, for example, you want to learn the Plan 3D, for example. 3D, AutoCAD Plan 3D, and then just type AutoCAD Plan 3D, and there's a lot of tutorial on how to do the Plan 3D. Okay, for example, this the workflow, okay, AutoCAD Plan 3D to Navisworks, and so on. If you like to watch it, and just click the video. Okay, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss any new video from us. All right, so I think that's all for today. Okay, see you in the next FOL. All right, thank you and bye.